sweets, eating sugar, getting sick, repeat. I want you but I don't, when the bitter outweighs the sweet. We get carried away at the end of the day.
Hey guys, so for this look I already have my brows done and I'm going to grab my Naked Skin concealer in the shade Medium Dark Warm, which is by Urban Decay. I always forget to say Urban Decay, and I like to use this as my primer. And then for eyeshadow and to set that base, I'm going to use Soft Peach from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Shadow Couture palette, which is one of my favorite palettes ever. And then I'm going to grab Morocco, which is from the same palette, and that's going to be my transition shade, and you just lightly want to put this into your crease. And then for the outer V area, again I'm going to use Fudge, which is also from the same palette. I'm obsessed with this palette, and I'm just going to blend away and really create a V shape. Now grabbing my I Heart Makeup Geek palette, I'm going to use the rusty brown shade that was pointed at by the arrow, and I'm just going to apply this all over my mobile lid. Then you want to make sure that you keep going back and blending the edges out, and I just wanted to intensify the outer V with more Fudge because I felt like the shadow was going away when I applied the lid colour. And then taking my first brush that I used for my setting eyeshadow shade, I'm just blending the edges, and then I also grabbed Noir from the Anastasia palette just to deepen the outer V corner a bit because I really wanted that to be really defined. So here I'm just doing my eyeliner. I'm using my NYC liquid eyeliner, which is the best liquid liner ever. It just dries really nice and black and matte. And when I was done with my eyeliner, I just took a makeup wipe to clean up the edges and really sharpen the edge up as well. And just to make my eyelashes really stand out, I'm going to use my Avon eyelash curler just to curl them, and then I'm using my Maybelline Falsies Push Up Drama mascara just to add a bunch of mascara on my lashes. I was too lazy to put some lashes on, but you can totally wear lashes if you feel like you want to with this look because it will look really nice. And then on my lower lash line I'm just applying a bit of Fudge and really smudging that out. And then I also went in with some mascara on my lower lashes as well. And then for the start of the show, I'm using the LA Splash Lip Couture waterproof liquid lipstick in the shade Untamed, and it's just such a pretty deep brown shade, and I'm literally obsessed with it, and it smells really nice. I'm not going to be showing you my face makeup for this makeup tutorial because you've seen me do it 100 times, so I thought I'll skip it in this makeup tutorial, and I hope you guys don't mind. And I'm also using a bit of concealer just to clean up the edges and making all the edges look clean. Because you can get those rigid lines. And yeah, that's the end of this makeup tutorial. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. Please let me know in the comments what you would like to see next. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I love you guys all so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.